Set an example. I mean, give me an example how crazy you were.
Oh my god, what are these questions? So it's a chant called Namyoho Renge Kyo,
Okay.
which I do for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 1 hour, sometimes.
It gives you
2 hours.
relaxation?
Oh, it really helps you a lot. Like, sometimes I don't even tell my mother, okay. కానీ నేను చాంటింగ్లో అన్ని నా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చాంటింగ్లో చెప్తాను.
Film making everywhere is common. Did you notice any differences? I mean, the Bollywood and Tollywood, Telugu films and...
ఇప్పుడు ఏం డిఫరెన్స్ లేదు, కానీ ఐ జస్ట్ ఫీల్ ఇక్కడ ఇంకా డిసిప్లిన్ ఉంటుంది. ఐ జస్ట్ ఫీల్ లైక్ ఇన్ తెలుగు films are made faster. Timing is very good here.
So you did reality shows as well in Telugu,
Yes,
right?
I judged the
How reality it was?
fully real.
Hey, come on, serious.
Oh my god, I can't tell you. It was the hardest thing of my life I have done.
Why?
It is so real, I can't tell you.
Sometimes I feel like, okay, they are doing this thing for the TRP. People are thinking like that.
No. Like, నేను ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీకు ఇస్తాను. లైక్ ఒక చిన్న పిల్ల ఓకే కమ్స్ టు డాన్స్ సో వాట్ ఎవర్. సో నేను చూస్తాను దట్ మార్నింగ్ నుంచి నైట్ వరకు 2-3 days తినలేదు, స్లీప్ కూడా ఇవ్వట్లేదు, అన్ని ఏం లేదు, అండ్ దే ఆర్ కమింగ్ ఇన్ అ బస్ ఆర్ వాట్ ఎవర్. దెన్ సో యూ ఫీల్ వెరీ బ్యాడ్ కి ఐ విష్ బట్ ఐ కాంట్ డూ ఎనీథింగ్ బికాస్ ఇది వాళ్ళ డే కాదు, ది వేరే కంటెస్టెంట్ కి డే హీ పర్ఫార్మ్ బెటర్. సీ ఐ టెల్ యూ కెనాట్ ఎస్కేప్ సాడ్నెస్. If you are breaking up,
No, I want.
100% నేను ఏడుస్తున్నాను ఆల్మోస్ట్ 1 month 2 months అదే కంపల్సరీ. యూ కెనాట్ సే దట్ టుడే ఐ బ్రోక్ అప్ ఫ్రమ్ టుమారో ఐల్ బీ హ్యాపీ. ఏమైనా చేస్తుంటే యూ విల్ బీ సాడ్. ఐ సా పుష్ప ఇన్ బాంబే. He's very popular. Like in Bombay he's very popular. First time in my life I heard this. He
God
said
bless.
that there is a technical failure on this flight and we were almost 1 hour towards Hyderabad and now we have to go back to Bombay, he's saying. And I'm like, with technical failure meaning maybe engine failure, how will we go back to Bombay? So until then me and Rashmika we don't know each other. Like
Not like that. I mean,
chale idi chale.
So what's happening in Parijata Parvam now? ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది? ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది అంటే లైక్ హౌ యూ ఫీల్?
Actually చాలా I mean it's a great feeling because from everywhere I'm getting a very positive kind of a response from everyone. నేను actually expect చేయలేను and while I was doing the film I just did it like like I just did it. I didn't think or expect that people will like the trailers, teasers, or people will say it's a good. And the timing of the release is also very good right now. There are I think hardly any releases and big releases actually. So because of that I'm feeling a little positive and happy, and mainly I think I'm hearing from distributors that my role is pretty interesting in the film.
Okay.
And tarvata people are laughing a lot. Like first 20 minutes there is introductions of people, kani tarvata almost 1 hour 40 minutes there's just laughter and laughter.
Did it easy for you? I mean, making
like
a comedy.
People are watching the film are really praising it a lot. So I don't know. I have still not seen it. I'm going to see it tonight, I think.
How tough for it is? I mean, making a comedy and all. How tough
It's the first time I'm actually doing proper comedy.
Acha, okay.
I have never really done proper comedy. So I have my scenes mostly with Sunil sir and Harsha and Chaitanya.
Okay.
And so I had to comic timing match cheyadam chala kashtam because they are excellent, Harsha and Sunil sir. Kani nenu try chesanu, so I hope people like it.
Did you remember your first audition, when it happens, where it happens?
Many
how it
years
happens?
ago, I must be 16, 17. That time I had auditioned.
The best audition you gave still right now? I mean,
Best audition, there were many.
there are many.
Yeah.
Pick the
Now
one.
I stopped giving auditions for the last
Of
10
course,
years.
you already proven that. So that's why I asked in the past.
But do you know one thing? Even after doing movies like Arya 2 and so many, I think 15-20 movies, I actually was asked to audition for a movie called Garuda Vega in Telugu, where I played a journalist. Almost pure Telugu kavali for a journalist. So for that, he asked me to send 2 monologues of pure Telugu as a journalist for that role. So I was very surprised, but I gave it. Kani, I think beginning low, I have given lot of auditions. Yeah.
How crazy you are?
About
Anything. How crazy you are on those sets or in your life?
crazy.
How crazy you are? Set an example. I mean, give me an example how crazy you are.
Oh my God, what are these questions? I can't think right now on immediately. So at work, I try to be very professional, very professional at work. కానీ బయటికి కూడా ఐ మీన్ ఇలాంటివి క్రేజీ లేదు కానీ లైక్ ఇఫ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు టెల్ సమ్వన్ సంథింగ్ I can actually go and tell them openly. Like,
Okay.
if I want to, like, sometimes I can really be like that brave that I won't think if I want, like, ఎవరికి ఏమైనా చెప్పాలి అంటే నేను ఇమీడియట్లీ చెప్తుంటాను లేదంటే ఏం చెప్పలేదు అలాగే సో గట్స్ చాలా
Yeah, అదే ఇంకా
సమ్టైమ్స్ అదే
ఓకే
యా
సో పర్టికులర్గా గట్స్ అయితే ఉన్నాయంటారు. సో కమింగ్ టు మూవీస్, సో I think it's tough to say no for the script selection or anything, right? How did you manage in this entire career?
సో
Sometimes
చాలా మంది నాకు అడిగాను దట్ మీరు చాలా గ్యాప్ తర్వాత తెలుగులో ఒక మూవీ చేస్తున్నాను విచ్ ఇస్ రిలీజింగ్ ఇన్ థియేటర్స్. ద రీజన్ ఇస్ దిస్ ఓన్లీ దట్ యు నో లైక్ as you grow older or whatever, you want to do more scripts where you get more performance to do and little more full-fledged meaty roles kind of thing. So ade nenu consciously choose chesanu to say no to many things actually. So naku ippudu I can't anymore do something where like almost 20 people are there and I'm not doing anything in that frame. Alage I can't anymore do it, you know, I don't feel happy. So I just feel like oka screenplay nenu oka audience laga chuste, is it engaging throughout or not? Ade na kosam chala important. First as an audience naku ela anipinchindi ee script tarvata na role teeste aa movie tho will it make any difference? So like Parijata Parvam lo na role ledante you cannot make the film only.
Okay.
So I have started, you know, choosing roles which will make a difference to the film. Alage nenu choose chestanu. Yeah.
okay, and how spiritual you are? I mean, this is the tough, I think, tough field to manage everything, like facing the camera, facing the people comments, and maintaining everything.
Yeah, it's very hard.
It's very hard, right?
Yeah.
So how do you maintain? How do you cope up with these things?
సో ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏం చేస్తాను obviously spiritualityలో you have to be in it if you want to you work for so many years and be normal. Like ఒక ఇంటర్వ్యూలో కూడా like you know in this last few days also చాలా ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ అయింది where నాకు చాలా tough questions అడిగాను many people. So at that moment I used to get hurt or I would maybe go back and feel bad or cry or call my mom and tell her I felt bad. But I will not show, you know. Before I used to show in the interview only that I'm angry or I'm bad. Obviously that much maturity has come that I will not show it. Kani it hurts me, but tarvata then I feel like tomorrow is a new day and I think that okay, the reason why this journalist is asking me also because somebody has told them to ask this mean question to me. Only that question will get the viewer the TRP. You know, then I start thinking in that way that okay, this person has a reason to ask me this. Anduke otherwise the interview will be boring for them. Kani it also makes me reflect that you know okay, maybe I need to improve on this. That's why they are saying this. So I just keep it a balanced thing. But the first day when it happens, I'm not able to think because I'm so hurt that I'm not able to understand. But after 1, 2, 3 days, then I become more balanced. But the main point is that 1-2 days of hurt to be passing that.
Okay.
Because people do stupid things when they are hurt and angry. Like they can't think. So to control yourself then requires you to be very, like you have to meditate every day. I spend like morning first 10 minutes and night like you know those 5-10 minutes breathing, chanting, meditating so that
You're still doing that? I mean,
yeah,
still.
I'm still following Buddhism for now almost
That's
9
my next
years.
question. What is Buddhism? I mean, how do you follow the regular thing? I mean, what is
So I
Buddhism?
chant every day at night and morning. Morning I chant for the whole day. I visualize it how I want my day to be.
Can I know detailingly? I mean,
So it's a chant called Nam-myoho Renge Kyo,
okay.
which I do for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 1 hour sometimes.
It gives you
2 hours.
relaxation?
Oh, it really helps you a lot. Like rather than going to a person with my problem, like
Okay.
ఒక person ki I don't go and call. నాకు ఏమైనా ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటే సాడ్నెస్ ఉంటే నేను ఎప్పుడు ఎవరికి కాల్ చేయలేను.
Okay.
సమ్టైమ్స్ ఐ డోంట్ ఈవెన్ టెల్ మై మదర్ ఓకే. కానీ నేను చాంటింగ్లో అన్నీ నా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చాంటింగ్లో చెప్తాను లైక్ నా మైండ్లో కి నాకు ఈ ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది ఈ ప్రాబ్లం నాకు సొల్యూషన్ కావాలి
still
సొల్యూషన్
in
కావాలి
mind,
సొల్యూషన్
right?
కావాలి నో అది చాంటింగ్ చేస్తాను తర్వాత నా మైండ్లో ఆ ప్రాబ్లం చెప్తాను నెక్స్ట్ డే ఆ ప్రాబ్లం సాల్వ్ అవుతుంది లేదంటే ఐ చేంజ్ ఆర్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ అవుట్ సైడ్ చేంజెస్ అండ్ దెన్ తర్వాత నైట్ కి ఇఫ్ ఐ హ్యాడ్ అ గ్రేట్ డే లైక్ ఇన్ ద మార్నింగ్ ఐ చాంట్ దట్ ఓకే దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ ఐ వాంట్ మై డే టు గో ఇట్ గోస్ లైక్ దట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ హౌ ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు people tell me the things which I want them, and at night when I come back, I thank, like 5 minutes is only thanking, that thank you, this was a great day, exactly how I wanted it. So it just is my biggest anchor in life, this thing. Yeah.
Okay. So that is your stress burst. Can I say that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Are you overthinker? I'm just asking.
Too much.
Too much overthinker.
I overthink a
How do you
lot.
stop
I
that?
can beat anybody in overthinking. But then I tell myself, नहीं मत सोच छोड़ नहीं हटा दो इसको साइड से हटाओ. Or what I do is, rather than letting it go, I fully think. Like, suppose you said something very bad to me today. I'll go home, I'll think, I'll cry for 1 hour, remove it out nicely, and then I'll be like, acha, how much I'll cry now on this, and I'll be fine.
That's realization. Okay.
So I face it, I feel it, and then I let it go.
Is that correct timing to face everything? I mean, overthinking the same point on hour and hour.
Are these questions about trying to get over your breakup?
No, I'm just asking.
I'm feeling like a love guru right now.
No, you know what? This is the thing which is everyone's facing,
problem nowadays.
But no one can speak up.
Yeah, everyone.
Right?
Whether it's an actor, whether it's an AD,
not
whether
an
it's
actor, not a doctor.
everyone in this current time is overthinking, is worried about their future, is worried about their present, past.
Yeah.
Everybody is. It's not just one person. I think this whole generation,
Maybe it's a social media, or I don't know why it happens.
Yeah, because we all know that everyone shows their best side only.
Mm-hmm. And
Like, for example, I'll tell you, like today my assistant told me that he has just broken up or whatever. Everybody posts sad stories, we all do it once we break up. We have blocked our ex, but we still post it.
what is that sadism? I don't know. You want to tell them
Agree, right?
indirectly.
Yeah, you agree, right, to this? I'm sure everyone does it. He is also posting. I thought, what is wrong with him? Okay.
You can say probably into face,
And
right?
this generation is so weird that, so the advice that I gave is so bad. I told him that start posting happy stories from today. Start posting a picture with some girl. Then your girlfriend will call you back for sure in 2 days. But I'm saying this is such a bad thing actually to do if you go to see. But I just felt like, what is happening to all of us? Like, what are we even doing? It's real, because we want to show that we are happy all the time. We don't want to show people that we are unhappy or sad. You know, that's the thing.
Nice. Because I want to discuss these things because everyone are facing these times.
Like, tell me who doesn't check the names under their stories? Who's checked it? No, even you do, yeah, come on. Everyone. Whatever you post, everyone checks कि किसने check किया, किसने like किया, है ना? So this is like, we want validation on everything. Like, if I'm eating, I'm whatever, you know. So it's
obviously.
Suppose
Validation
one day
is important.
comes where you not even one person has liked any story, you will think.
You will go into the day.
But did we care about this few years ago? We did not. So it's weird.
Nice. So coming to professionalism, I mean, sometimes it hurts in on-sets. Everyone will be hurts you, right, with their words or anything. So how tough it was to impact on your acting?
No. On an acting wise, on a set, nothing can impact me. Like, even if I just had a bad news coming to me, if I have to go and do a scene, I will do it. It cannot. That is my job. I have to do it. And there are so many people on that set who are investing money. And I got that opportunity with a lot of difficulty after struggling so much in life. So I understand the importance of that moment. So no matter what is happening there, I will see to it that I do my job properly. That is there. Yeah.
Can I know what is the Shraddha's background then now?
So I am from Mumbai, and my parents also are from Mumbai.
Okay.
And I've
But
been
you
a Bombay
speak
girl.
Bengali?
Bengali, yeah. Both my parents are Bengali. And I have done my journalism. And in my family, everyone sings, so we all sing also. And I was going to be an engineer, but I had an accident in my 12th, because of which I changed my stream, went into journalism and started auditioning for films, singing in shows. And then from there onwards, I got into this.
Nothing link up, brain.
No link up.
No link up.
Yeah.
So you did.
Nobody in my family is from a film. Nobody has ever seen a luxury car or a bungalow. We're from a very simple family.
Okay.
But later on, like my father actually had all his business in Hyderabad. So as a kid, I used to come to Hyderabad, stay in Green Park with him. He was into trading in pharmaceuticals. From there, our family started doing very well. So I always cheptanu na intlo money anni Hyderabad lone vastundi. All the money comes from Hyderabad in our house, I think. My dad and me, both of us have a major work coming from Hyderabad.
Did they accepted, I mean, this field for you? I mean, in the
so my dad being Bengali parents, so like our culture, Bengali culture, in Bombay especially, Bombay culture is very different from Telugu culture. You know, like the parents, like fathers, are very modern in Bengali. Firstly, they will want their girl to be very independent. Independent is super important. They will teach you since you're a child that you have to be independent. Marriage is not important first. First, you should be financially independent. Na mummy, daddy, na like chinnappudu nunchi they had always taught me this.
Okay.
So ade na mind lo untundi, and they said that never depend on anybody. Even if you're old age also, don't depend on anybody. Secure yourself all your life. So studies and career very important in our family. Like my father was like, do whatever you want. First finish your main basic education, so that any time in life you can go back to it. Ade chala important. And tarvata, they're very modern parents. I have very, very modern. We used to watch movies together. We used to watch MTV together at that time. My father's favorite actress is Jennifer Lopez. So, so I have the coolest father in the world and the coolest mother in the world. Like, I'm so lucky to have such parents that I can go and tell them anything that I want. If I went on a dinner date with someone, I actually call my father and tell him, Papa, you know, he was like this, he was like that, he was this. I know in Telugu culture, you cannot tell your parents. But here, so what happened? Because of that, I never hide anything. I never did anything wrong. And I myself don't feel like doing drugs or drinking too much or smoking. I don't even smoke, nothing. So, you know, I myself don't feel like doing it because I have so much freedom my parents gave me. So they said that they don't have a narrow-minded mentality. So I come from that upbringing. Like, if I see a girl or a man, I won't judge him from his clothes. I will judge him from his character. But people judge a person's character from their clothes. that is a very distinct, predominant thing. But I don't come from that thought only. So that has been my upbringing.
So nice. I mean, I think you are a lucky girl. Having the
yeah, very lucky. Parents. Very lucky. They support me in everything. They'll never tell me don't do this, don't do that. I can do whatever because they themselves know I won't do something.
Okay.
Like even if I was in school and college, I used to study so much that my parents would be like, please don't study. I beg of you. They're troubling us. I used to come back home and cry. Mera half mark chala gaya, mera percentage kam ho jayega. Like I wanted to come first very badly in my 10th standard.
Okay.
My father, mother were like, please don't come first. We beg of you. Stop troubling. Even now, if I get hurt about a movie, my parents are like, "Arey, chhodna kya hai wahan?" My mother tells me, if someone is mean to you, leave that set and come. My mother tells me on the phone. I'll be like, no, what should I do? My mother like, if someone is mean, go leave. No need to do. So that is how supportive they are. You know, they'll not tell me that to take so much pressure. Yeah, very lucky, no?
Very lucky. Nice. I mean, making is everywhere is common. I mean, the film making everywhere is common. Did you notice any differences? I mean, the Bollywood and Tollywood, Telugu films and making.
Ippudu em difference ledu. Kani I just feel ikkada inka discipline untundi. I just feel like in Telugu films are made faster. Timing is very good here. Like you get up at 6, your shot is sharp at 8 a.m. You finish at 6. Like everything is properly on schedule in the South. I love that about this place. Like when the movie got over, when its editing is happening on the set. Online editing. Online which is editing. Great, you know, and so fast it's released. Promotions, everything is so properly planned. I really love that about the South.
But there
also it is planned, but I think they just I'm not saying it's not planned, it is properly planned. But I just feel comparatively this is more disciplined.
But it's not executing there. I mean, it's properly not executing.
You're trying to get out something.
No. I'm just asking there.
No. It's just how do I explain it to you now? Like I don't think like you don't wake up at 5 a.m. and like do shoots over there. Here you wake up at 5 a.m. Got your answer?
So you did reality shows as well in Telugu,
Yes,
right?
I judged the
How reality it was?
fully real.
Hey, come on, serious.
Oh my god, I can't tell you. It was the hardest thing of my life I have done.
Why?
It is so real, I can't tell you.
Likewise,
Every tear,
likewise?
every laughter, every emotion is real
Hey,
over
no,
there.
director said, come on, Shraddha Das garu, come, please stop, please stop.
no, not at all.
Huh.
Not at all. ఒక్కటి డైలాగ్ కూడా ఇవ్వలేదు నాకు. అన్ని you have to say yourself. I used to be always in tension because ఒక film లో మీకు అన్ని ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్నాను. Like lines, I to take script, the line, the voice note, the prana, everything from an AD before a movie. Everything is provided to you.
Yeah.
Ikkada you have to do everything on your own.
Whatever it comes.
Yeah, and it's natural. You get attached to contestants, you get attached to people on the set. And when that contestant, that child or someone is eliminated, you feel bad.
Sometimes I feel like, okay, they are doing this thing for the TRP. People are thinking like that.
No. Like, నేను ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీకు ఇస్తాను. లైక్ ఒక చిన్న పిల్ల ఓకే కమ్స్ టు డాన్స్ ఓ వాట్ ఎవర్. సో నేను చూస్తాను దట్ మార్నింగ్ నుంచి నైట్ వరకు 2-3 days తినలేదు, స్లీప్ కూడా ఇవ్వట్లేదు, అన్ని ఏం లేదు. అండ్ దే ఆర్ కమింగ్ ఇన్ అ బస్ ఓ వాట్ ఎవర్. దెన్ తర్వాత పర్ఫామ్ చేస్తున్నాను, నీ ఫ్లిప్స్ ఉన్నాయి, దోస్ ఆర్ దే డూ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ దాట్. And they feel like this is my dream. From here I will, something great will happen for me. So మీరు వాళ్ళ a kid తో పాటు you're traveling for so many months, 6 months, 1 year. And when that kid is almost about to reach, say, a final and he's eliminated, naturally you will feel bad. And he's crying so badly, like as if his world is over, because వాళ్ళకి తెలియదు, he thinks that ఇదే నా ప్రపంచం అదే. సో యూ ఫీల్ వెరీ బ్యాడ్ కి ఐ విష్ బట్ ఐ కాంట్ డూ ఎనీథింగ్ బికాస్ ఇది వాళ్ళ డే కాదు, ది వేరే కంటెస్టెంట్ కి డే, హీ పర్ఫార్మ్ బెటర్. కానీ హౌ కెన్ యూ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్? సో మీకు చాలా యూ ఫీల్ వెరీ బ్యాడ్ అట్ దట్ టైమ్. సో అదే న్యాచురలీ యూ స్టార్ట్ క్రైయింగ్ వెన్ యూ సీ దెమ్ గోయింగ్, బికాస్ ఒక రియాలిటీ షోలో మీకు మీ ఇంటరాక్షన్ కంపల్సరీగా ఉంది అందరితో పాటు. యూ కెనాట్ బీ లైక్, ఓ నో ఐఎమ్ అ హీరోయిన్, ఐఎమ్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ టు టాక్ టు ఎనీబడి. యూ హ్యావ్ టు టాక్ టు పీపుల్. Like when the contestant finishes, they come and meet you behind.
You have to act like how you
talk
are.
to them every day. Morning while eating, you talk to them. You're interacting. You know about them. You're following. I follow them also on Instagram. So I feel very bad then. So I don't know. Vere వాళ్ళకి నాకు తెలియదు కానీ నా కోసం ఇది fully real. It was fully real. It's very hard. Yeah.
Okay. So that gives you immense pleasure or immense.
I think ఒకటే very nice thing was that I could na real personality I could show through that show. That was a plus of it. I could be myself on that show. అదే
Compared to movies.
Because ఎవరికి తెలియదు. Like a director కూడా చెప్పారు, like once 2-3 times I cried. So he's like, oh my god, you cry also. I'm like, why? I can't cry. Like because I come across as someone who must be very serious or something. So I was surprised, like they showed some childhood picture of mine or my dad's picture or something, and I started crying seeing it. So they were like, we didn't imagine that you also will be so sensitive. So I could show those sides of me over there.
Let me know one thing. I mean, in every girl there are 2 shades. They are so sensitive. At the same time, they are.
Are you asking this question for your girlfriend again?
No. Come on, Shraddha ma'am. Come on. Okay, and they are so sensitive. At the same time, they are so strong at all. Okay, how can we figure out? I mean, they are the both sides.
I think all women are like that, no? Like they are very sensitive and they're very strong, right? And because they are sensitive, they are so strong. I think sensitivity unte ne they are so strong because it is very hard to show your sensitivity to people. Andaru always act chestaru that nenu chala strong ga unnanu, emotions portray cheyalenu andaru. They don't. కానీ ఒక అమ్మాయి ఈజీలీ ఆ ఎమోషన్స్ పోర్ట్రే చేస్తుంది. సో అందుకే షీఈస్ వెరీ స్ట్రాంగ్. ఇట్ టేక్స్ స్ట్రెంగ్త్ టు షో ఎమోషన్. అదే.
Have you ever break up? I mean, heartbreak
Obviously.
moments?
Happy moments? ये breakup के पीछे पड़ा हुआ है.
Heartbreak moments?
అంటే
heartbreak moments.
Yeah. I have. Obviously, I'm a human being. Yeah, I'm living in the same prapancham as you. Obviously.
Same prapancham.
Okay.
Give me some tips to come out from that. Okay, give me some tips to come out from.
See, I'll tell you, you cannot escape sadness. if you are breaking up,
No, I want.
100% నేను ఏడుస్తున్నాను ఆల్మోస్ట్ 1 month 2 months అదే కంపల్సరీ. యూ కెనాట్ సే దట్ టుడే ఐ బ్రోక్ అప్ ఫ్రమ్ టుమారో ఐల్ బీ హ్యాపీ. ఏమైనా చేస్తుంటే యూ విల్ బీ సాడ్ ఇఫ్ యూ రియలీ లవ్ సమ్వన్, రైట్? సో అదే అక్సెప్ట్ చేయాలి ఫస్ట్, దట్ 1-2 months ఫినిష్డ్. తర్వాత యూ కెన్ స్టిల్ ఫోకస్ ఆన్ వర్క్ ఆర్ అదర్ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ వాట్ ఎవర్. కానీ ఐ విల్ నెవర్ సే దట్ to forget someone, be with another person. Ade worst advice, you know, that oh ikkad nunchi na go to some, that is horrible, I feel.
But some people are doing that actually to come out from that one genre and hey, I'm not talking about my past, I'm just
This whole interview is about breakup. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, say
I'll leave it.
Guruji. చెప్పండి ఏం
No, I forgot about the question.
ఏం క్వశ్చన్?
Really I forgot.
Some people are doing that, they're going to other people,
Yeah, to come out from that actually.
then they will miss the other one even more later because this person will not be same like the other one.
Yes, that's true. And have you ever feel like to losing one movie, like oh, I am losing that movie in the career?
Losing movie?
Ah.
No, I never. So you know, I always say that if I had a movie and if I had someone who I love, if I lost a movie, it's okay. But if I lost a love, then it hurts me more. That is the kind of person I've always been. Over a movie, like if it goes, maybe one day I'll feel bad, then next day I'll move on.
You're a social person, I mean, the more on social media
No.
or else.
Social media though I have to do because of my work. Otherwise, I would not want to do it at all. Kani normally social, I'm not at all social. Like నేను వర్క్ ఫినిష్ చేస్తుంటే ఇమీడియట్లీ హైదరాబాద్, లైక్ టుడే ఐల్ ఫినిష్, టుమారో ఐల్ ఫ్లై టు హైదరాబాద్. తర్వాత నేను నా ఇంట్లో ఉన్నాను, తర్వాత నా డాగ్స్తో పాటు హ్యావ్ 4 dogs. అదే నా ఫేవరెట్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద డే, వాళ్ళతో పాటు ఇంట్లో అదే, అండ్ దాట్స్ ఇట్. నాకు ఐ డోంట్ లైక్, బికాస్ నా వర్క్ is such that ఎంతమంది పీపుల్కి యూనో నేను మీట్ చేస్తాను ఆన్ అ డే టు డే బేసిస్. ఫుల్ డే నేను మేకప్ హెయిర్లో ఉన్నాను, అండ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు గో హోమ్ అండ్ బీ ఇన్ అ పజామా టీ-షర్ట్ and just chill and not meet and talk to anybody.
Okay. And your biggest break was Arya 2 in Telugu, right? And still do you remember those memories and all? Sometimes at least in a 6 months, at least in a year, do you remember those days and all?
I think whenever people tag me on Instagram showing our pictures or whatever, so that time I remember because we used to have a lot of fun on the sets. It was very nice, that atmosphere on the set was too much fun. And చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ మెమరీస్ ఉన్నాయి ఆ టైంకి. బట్ కానీ నేను న్యూ కమర్, ఐ వాజ్ అ న్యూ పర్సన్ ఆన్ దట్ సెట్. సో అగైన్ నా ఫోకస్ వాజ్ ఆన్ మై క్యారెక్టర్ కి హౌ am I doing, how am I looking, and you know I used to wake up at 3 a.m. before the shoot.
Okay.
And I used to be so scared when I remember dogs would be barking. I would reach the set at 4:30 a.m. to get ready because I'd be like, first I should come first on the set, I should never be late, and I'm always late. But kani our time ki I would wake up at 3 a.m. I remember first before everyone and be there. So and it was very nice on the set. Like Allu Arjun used to make the set like very lively, very nice. Everyone, Kajal, Allu Arjun, Navdeep, Sukumar.
Do you observe his career right now? Do you observe?
Yeah, I saw Pushpa in Bombay. He's like, he's very popular. Like in Bombay, he's very popular. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What happened on that flight? I mean, Rashmika Mandanna garu, you have a journey on that day?
So we were on a flight and suddenly the pilot announced that first time in my life I heard this. He said that there is a technical failure on this flight and we were almost 1 hour towards Hyderabad. And now we have to go back to Bombay, he's saying. And I'm like, with technical failure, meaning maybe engine failure, how will we go back to Bombay? So until then, me and Rashmika, we don't know each other, like personally. So we were sitting next to each other and I was trying to sleep. So she did one very sweet thing. She there was a pillow I didn't know, which is there. So she, without knowing me only, she pushed that pillow. She's like, you can put your head here. I was like, okay, so sweet and I saw her, she was doing one small prayer. Very cute, I thought it was.
You don't know about her, I mean, until that.
No, in the sense I don't know her personally.
Yeah,
I know I've seen Pushpa,
okay.
but Kani, in the sense I don't follow anybody on Instagram from in the industry except my people who are following me or who I know. So naku, I don't know about people's lives, what is going on. I don't check. So, but I found her to be very cute, and then she was watching some movie, and when he announced it, she had headphones on. So I thought, did she hear or no? Okay, and I got a little scared. So first few minutes I acted very cool. After some time, the flight started going fully like down, like it started going down below 10,000 feet, like, and it started going fully left and right. And I could see land and water. Like if the plane is here, the land and water is here, this much. So I was like, oh my God, this is really going to crash, because there is no way we can reach Bombay from there. Then I started and I saw people praying, people getting scared. So then I shook her and I told her, hello, listen, 1 second, are we going to die? First question I asked her, are we going to die? He just announced that I think there is an engine failure or something. So she started laughing when she heard me. She's like, what is this question? I'm like, no, I told her, can you check? Are we over water or are we over land first? Because I heard, I've seen all plane movies. So I've heard that in water you can still be saved. Land, no plane Ipadnunchi has saved. So I told her, just tell me, is there water? Because she's on the window. She removed the headphones and she started laughing. So then she saw and she got little scared. But seeing me, she thought if she shows me fear, I'll get more scared. She's like, breathe, Shraddha, breathe. I'm like, no. And then she started messaging her mom and all. I'm like, you got some special network on this flight or what? I was like, can you message my mom also that I'm going to die? So, because I told her, please, I don't know what network, because you're Rashmika Mandana, you must be having some network. She's like, are you mad? She's like, yeah, she was actually texting someone that this flight is, something is going wrong with this flight or something. So I told her, please send one message to her. She started laughing again. And then we reached a mountain between two mountains, and that time she got very scared too, because we were like, have you seen the Nepal air crash where the plane is about to? Yeah. We are literally in front of that mountain. We can see it in front of our eyes near the window. Like, have you seen a mountain near your window like that? And the pilot took an S between two mountains, two valleys, and she saw that, and she also then started getting scared. And then he somehow, like a hero, that pilot took us and they did an emergency landing in Bombay. Half the people, 200 people I think were on board, half of them did not. We both came on the next flight also, 7:30 flight. It was a
very daring personalities.
And then the funniest thing, like what we were doing is that when it was about to land, because we thought it's, so basically the flight never flew above 10,000 feet. So it's supposed to fly at 35,000, I think. I don't know. But it never went above 10,000. So that's why he decided that we should go back. And we both were like putting our feet like this in front of this thing when it was landing there. I was like, as if this is going to save us. And then I told her, like, if this flight crashes, we both will die first. So I was like, or low business class ticket, or low front row ka, yahi hoga, sabse pehle we will die, you know. But it was very, very, like, for 1 minute in my life, I think I accepted death. Like, I actually thought that, what will my dogs do? What will my mom think? What will my dad think? All of that, I made a story in my mind. And I was like, thank you, God, for this life. And I am not joking. Like, I was like, we are done in another 2-3 minutes. It was that bad. Like, people came out with their belts open, wanting to vomit. I can never forget it in my life. It was crazy. Yeah.
Anyways, you crossed it.
Yeah.
And I don't think so. I think some people know about you. Like, you have some food disorder, right?
Food disorder?
No,
like, I don't have any disorder.
But you have a food mania or else?
No.
You're a foodie, right?
Yeah, I eat everything. So?
Wait a minute. Achhe.
Oh, okay, no. I had bulimia when I was a teenager. Bulimia.
What is that?
So I was very fat and chubby, and I used to...
Seriously, I didn't get any pictures of you.
I was like, pretty much, like, I used to love eating junk food a lot. So what I would do, I would eat cake, popcorn, all fattening things together.
Okay.
And then I would go and vomit it out. But I could not control myself from eating. So I used to want to eat cake, full cake I will eat. Or if I'm having popcorn, or I would have 5-6 ice creams in my teenage, and then I would go and puke it. Someone taught me, some stupid girl taught me that if you puke it out, you won't become fat. So I did it for 1 month, and then I was feeling very sick and this thing, and then I heard it's very dangerous, and then I left it. Never did it again, ever.
So now you don't have any food cravings?
No, I eat properly, I eat very healthy, and I have a very disciplined food. I have very disciplined, good habits.
See, I mean, the regular actors are following some theories. I mean, food theories like cutting off salt, cutting off sugar and all. I mean, it discomforts our mind and our levels as well, right? Our happiness levels and all. How do you maintain that? I mean, it affects.
So I have certain rules that I follow for the last few years. One is that I don't have white sugar, white bread, or maida. This, no matter where I'm in the world, even if I'm dying of hunger, I will not have maida. Because I feel maida is the main, like I will have even ghee, butter, oil, but I will not have maida. And deep fried I won't have, ever. So this rule I've followed for the last 10, 12 years. Second rule is that I never eat very heavy food right before sleeping. I will never sleep after eating something very heavy.
Okay.
Because it gives you too much stomach weight, it will give you. Like that. That is one rule. However tired I am, I will never eat and immediately go to sleep. 2 hours gap before sleeping. And then inka small habits I have, which I have continued for years.
Acha.
Yeah. So
nice. It's a tough job.
It's not tough. So white sugar ledante I have brown sugar. White bread ledante I have brown bread. Maida ledante I have wheat. So anni substitutes unnai. But all this I don't do, like soya milk and all that. No. I have normal milk, ghee. And I have all home food. I love home food, like how your dadima makes roti, sabzi, with dahi, chutney, pickle. I have a balanced meal. Yeah.
I want an answer from you. Like everyone has their own mood swings, right? But mood swings brand ambassador was girls.
Okay. So.
Okay. What is your answer for that?
That is so. It's called misogyny or something, or what? I don't know. All boys also have mood swings.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But
I have worked with so many people where the boys have more mood swings than the girls. Yeah. Everyone has mood swings. Don't say only girls have.
Happy?
Yeah.
No, compare it to boys. I think girls has the, many mood swings and all.
I think because we also have like we have our periods and all of that in a month. So around before, after, whatever that time we go through, like people, like it's natural, like scientific or whatever, because of our hormonal changes, you go through mood swings. Definitely, that is there.
I mean, do you
like men are very lucky that they don't have this problem which girls have.
No, they're unlucky actually.
Why?
Because they're maintaining the girls right. They should maintain their girl right. It's a tough job.
देखो यार, तुम्हें जूते पड़ेंगे. तुम्हारा ब्रेकअप पक्का है. भूल जाओ तो. है ना? इसको ब्रेकअप करेगी ना? ये भी बोल रहा है. Listen, your cameraman is saying तुम्हारा ब्रेकअप पक्का है. I've not said anything wrong till now. No, please. He's trapping me over till now. Till now, nothing wrong. Na, baap re, you are very chalu, yaar. You should break up with him. Shit, I'm also thinking, am I saying something wrong or no till now? Nothing controversial I've said, no, till now. I'll kill you. He is in the. You have got periods. His that time of the month. Say. I think you have more mood swings than anybody else. Say.
And coming to money, money is more important in our life someday. What you learned in your career, I mean, about the savings and all.
Oh, that is very important, obviously. And I think for a girl, though, very, very important. Guy, though, I don't know, but girl, very, very important. Like I said, my parents taught me that.
Give it an example.
Don't depend on someone.
When you realize that this is the thing, I should learn the.
Like, I feel like your career, I've heard this somewhere, and I love this quote, that your career will never wake up and tell you one morning, I am leaving you. But your girlfriend or boyfriend can. So, your work, your career, and that the money that you make from it will not get up and tell you, bye bye, I'm not in love with you anymore. Ade.
Nice. Just sparkle.
Yeah.
Sparkle and money.
Yeah. Because a person can any day get up and tell you, bye, I'm going.
So, మీరు ఏమైనా సేవింగ్స్ మెథడ్ ఏమైనా ఫాలో అవుతుంటారా లైక్
I make traditional FDs. I do just do that. Like people tell me to invest here and there, basic FDs or a property. Like my mother only guides me on that completely.
Okay.
Yeah.
And do you regularly follow, I mean, Telugu news? I mean, what happening
No.
there? I mean, what actor doing the
No.
next movies?
Nothing I know.
Why they you did lot of films in Telugu?
No, I don't. Because I feel
People
like I think ఒక movie life కి side లో like if you keep it on the side ఒక వేరే life కూడా ఉంది, and I think just ఇది నా life లేదు. I mean obviously career చాలా important, కానీ ఒక వేరే life కూడా కావాలి apart from movies, and otherwise you'll go mad. You can't be obsessed about anything in life, I feel, about a partner or career or anything. You have to have a balance of everything in life. So na oka different life kuda undi where I travel, I do go to yoga retreats, I stay with my dogs, and I don't like following I don't follow any pages of paps or websites, nothing I follow.
Okay.
Full peace of mind. I'm only concerned with my things, nothing else. Like even on Instagram also, except my really close friends or whatever, I don't go and check anybody's stories or anything.
I think that is the peace of mind. I think.
Yeah, I don't. Because see, at any point of time,
stalking
someone will
someone.
always be prettier, better, hotter, more successful, richer than you. And social media is such that it will always make you feel like someone is better.
Yeah.
And you will forget about what you're having, So I just tell myself I don't want to see. That's it. Yeah.
Are you a traveler?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Always traveling, yeah.
Okay, let me know. Okay, I mean, give some good places to go. And no, I'm just asking.
So my favorites are Serbia. I've been there twice, I think. Belgrade.
Okay.
People don't know it's firstly free. You can travel in buses over there. You don't have to pay money. It's very cheap. And it's very beautiful. It's a European country. People are very sweet and nice. And only traveling is little expensive, matlab to go by the flight. But once you're there, it's very cheap and very nice. That was one country I loved. I have a very good friend there, so that is an emotional thing for me. Tarvata inka there are so many more countries, yeah, but that is one of my favorites. So yeah.
And I have one more question. Like, and outside of the movies, we pray and or else we like stars like gods, right? Outside of the movie audience, how actors feels about their co-actors? And do you have the same crush feelings, or do you have any some? No, I'm just asking.
So what? Do I ever get a crush on my co-actor? That is a question.
Co-actors or else currently Telugu actors?
No, nobody. I don't have any crush on anybody. I had one crush on someone in the last few years,
Okay.
but I could never tell them.
Wow.
Yeah.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Just that person was very nice and shy and sweet, so I was very scared that he might reject me or say no, so I didn't say anything.
Okay.
Yeah, but not really like movie actors and all. No.
I think people are so harsh, right? I mean, the on camera is something different, off camera is something different, like stars.
No.
No?
No. Like some of the biggest stars I've worked with are very normal in person. Very, very normal and simple, and like things they'll do which maybe even a normal person will not do. So it's not like that. Yeah. And the bigger the star, the humbler they are, is what I have seen. When you're so big, you don't need to prove that I'm so big. That's the thing. But when you're not that big, then you will throw your weight around to show that I am something. That's what I think. You're trying to trap
Give me one
You're
example.
not getting an answer.
Give me one example. Hey, not rap, yeah. I just want to read your mind. What's going through in your thoughts and all. That's
What,
it.
what? Has he become Beer Biceps from? He's reminding me of Beer. There's a guy called Beer Biceps in Hindi.
Yeah, I know him.
You're reminding me of him only right now. My God, I was not prepared mentally. I was prepared for answering Parishada
Then
Parvan
why should I ask?
Not one question from the movie has
See, you
come.
know what? Then why should I ask Shraddha ma'am, please give me one interview from past 1 year? Let's check your WhatsApp.
But why do you want to know my mind?
Of course, people has to know, whoever Shraddha followed, the people has to know what is the Shraddha's mind and all, right?
Cheppandi. Next question enti.
One movie which is so close to your heart. This is the trap.
None. It is my work. इतना मैं दिल पे नहीं लगाती हूँ काम को.
Then what is so close to your heart? Then what is it?
My dogs and my mother and my father. That's it.
It
Dogs are closest to my heart. Yeah.
Okay. Seriously, I mean, it gives you.
Movies will come and go, finish, release. These are what? No.
Okay. These answers are blowing my mind.
All my answers will blow your mind.
Marriage is really need.
You think? What do you think?
It's not my interview, it's your interview, right?
But we are having a discussion, so you should also answer. Tell me.
If you ask me, I say yes.
Is marriage really needed? Even I think, yeah. Yeah.
You prepared for that,
For what?
to enter into marriage life.
Yeah. If there is someone who I really fall in love with and who falls in love with me truly, who's loyal, good-hearted, kind, like he gives me butterflies in my stomach, definitely I would want to.
Coming to that point, come. I'll ask you then one question. Yeah. See, the first thing, butterflies will come at in first love only. After that love,
No.
there is no butterflies.
It comes again.
Is the butterflies or else
एक बार ही किया तो सारा प्यार कर दिया.
Is it butterflies or else buses? Anytime is coming to the timing or what? See, when I'm watching the Shah Rukh Khan's films, when I'm in love, I feel really.
Like even I want that DDLJ wala love. Frankly
But
speaking,
it's-
I'm very traditional in terms of that. I really want a love like that.
Huh.
Yeah. Old school.
Old school.
Yeah. This millennial crap, I don't understand all this.
So boy come to your house and accept everyone, and your family has to accept that boy. He is the one for your
अरे
life.
first एक दूसरे को तो accept कर लो. मतलब first at least like you told me that you accepted your girlfriend or you loved her in spite of whatever her this thing is. So I think that people should first at least try to see what this human being is. Because your families are not going, if it's not a joint family, they are not going to make your marriage work. You will make your marriage work. So at least you should try to know this person deeply, whether you can actually spend years and years in that same house with this person or not, and be in love with them. Like people are marrying for all the wrong reasons today, and like somebody wants to marry for only money or somebody. I think it's really wrong because it's your life, it's your emotion. You have to be happy every day. Like I feel like, I don't think I'm a kind of person who will be happy in one very big palace and this man is not even there to talk to me once in the day.
Maybe you haven't experienced it, so that's why you were telling. If someone is there experienced it,
I've never dated a rich man.
someone who experienced it, they want money only. After that, they don't.
No, I'm not like that.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's a good thing. Shraddha ji, Darling.
What about
Do you
Darling?
remember Darling movie?
Yeah, I did it after Arya 2 with Prabhas. Yeah.
Huh. How's your phase on that time? I mean, back to back good hits and all in Telugu films.
So I didn't like think about it so much like, oh my god, I'm doing this, I'm doing that, because with Darling I was also doing I think the Nagavalli movie with Venkatesh sir.
Huh.
Then Mogudu, I don't remember, many more movies were there. With Jagpati Babu sir also I did one movie. So I was back to back on three sets, 3 days. Like sometimes I would not sleep for 3 days and do movies like that. So you don't think so much about it. And I felt like Darling was not such a big role or something. I didn't expect again anything from it. So like I said, I criticize myself a lot in anything,
Okay.
So even the biggest surprise is that even Arya 2, I was so scared. I never saw Arya 2 in the theatre for a very long time.
Huh.
I was like, "Arey, what? My role is very small. What I'll go and see this, that." Today, after so many years, I'm understanding that wherever I go, they'll be like, "Shraddha Arya 2, Shraddha Arya 2." Okay, Kani, that time I was scared to even see my role on screen.
Okay.
Because I was like, it's small, what will people think about it, what is there in the role, God knows, this, that. This is how I think. My mind works differently only from people. So even during Darling also, I didn't realize only. I was just doing back to back work. I would hardly go home for years. I would be here only. There was one small guest house called Prashant Kutir. I don't know, I can't remember. I used to stay there. All actresses would stay in guest houses before.
Yeah.
Not anymore now. But yeah, so I used to stay there for 2 to 3, 4 months sometimes.
Acha.
Yeah.
Till out the movie.
Okay.
So,
realize చేయడానికి time కూడా నాకు, I mean, I didn't understand the impact of it. Now I'm understanding.
I asked you one thing like politics. Do you follow politics?
Not much. I mean, I discussed with my father.
Huh.
Kani question ఏంటి?
Sports?
Little bit of everything.
Everything little bit.
Let me see what your question is. Then I'll see.
I mean, according to that, I'll ask you the question. If you are.
I think let's leave politics and all aside. Who I support, that's what you want to know.
You don't know about the Telugu politics and
No,
all,
no,
right?
no,
Yeah.
And even if I know, I don't want to comment. Please, Bhagwan, please.
Okay, what is Shraddha, the sleep orders? I mean, do you prioritize your sleep orders?
Oh yes, I think it is the most important thing in the world for anyone. Like, I'll give you the biggest way to look young all your life is sleep very well. That is the main thing. That is the main mantra of no matter how much makeup, cream, whatever you put. If you don't sleep 8-9 hours, you cannot maintain yourself. It is not possible. Sleep corrects everything in your life. Everything. That's what I feel.
Because of movies, have you ever cried?
Yeah. Because of movies, meaning?
I mean, anything. I mean, related to because of movie only you cried.
Like
I
on
mean,
a set?
On set or else while doing the movie.
Yeah,
or
yeah.
else-
Before I used to cry during every movie. Now I don't cry anymore. I make people cry. No, I'm joking. I don't make people cry. But before I used to be very sensitive.
Why?
Now I'm not.
Why?
I was like a kid when I joined. I didn't know anything, and I used to feel like now I look at work as work. You asked me one question, right? That which movie is close to your heart? I said no, because work is work for me now. It's a project, it's my job. I come do a job which gives me great money. I travel, I stay at the best places. I get to do a character every day. I get to dress up well. So it's a wonderful job. But I don't want to get attached to people at my work. You know, because see, frankly speaking, even if you become friends, you cannot continue that friendship because you go in your different. I go to Bombay, you go on another set, you can't keep in touch. Then you feel bad. Oh, why we didn't keep in touch? This, that. So then it's better to be very good till you're there on that set and then leave. So I don't this thing.
I think now you became a rock. I mean,
I'm
how
not
your
a
heart
rock.
became a rock.
I'm not a rock. I also get hurt and affected even now, but not to that level anymore.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. And finally, coming to
Finally.
you're waiting for that word.
Of
Right?
my life, this is.
You're waiting for that word, right?
See, you are also waiting to go to your girlfriend.
No, my girl will be there. It's okay.
Third mood. Abhi तीसरा mood is like.
Not like that. I
Chale, idi chale.
I'm too tired to come and I'll come tomorrow.
Now you should sing that song. Inkem kavale, chale, idi chale.
I think you are leg puller, right?
Am I not awesome? Tell me.
Good leg puller.
Finally, what? Say.
Yeah. I mean, working with Sunil Garu and these entire crew and cast.
So first time నేను సునీల్ సార్ తో పాటు అండ్ హర్షతో పాటు వర్క్ చేశాను ఈవెన్ చైతన్యతో పాటు అండ్ ఐ ఫీల్ లైక్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద బెస్ట్ లైక్ కామిక్ టైమింగ్స్ you know in the industry. These two actors have Sunil sir and Harsha, and వాళ్ళ కామిక్ టైమింగ్ మ్యాచ్ చేయడం చాలా కష్టం. సో ఈ ఫిల్మ్లో ఫస్ట్ టైం నేను కామెడీ కూడా చేశాను. సో నేను చాలా ట్రై చేశాను కానీ I can't even say try because they were so good that you just have to react to them. So the easy guy in I mean one of my most easiest, smoothest, happiest experiences on a film.
Okay.
Because both of them are, and people always say that he's a great human being, but they don't mean it. But I really mean it that they are very good people, human beings also. And they are very good comedy actors also, and they're excellent. Like I used to learn watching. I really used to learn. Like I picked up 2-3 things from Sunil sir on a set. Like somebody had taught me that if you come to a set and you're doing a scene, whatever rehearsal you do in your van and come. So, but sometimes because it's Telugu also and not my first language, so I would want to like practice it a bit on the set also and not be conscious. But I would see Sunil sir and he would do his, like he'd actually do that action off the camera, like before the shot also. He's saying those lines, he's acting like that, he's pointing his gun and doing all that. So I was like, wow, if he can do it, then why am I stopping myself and being conscious? So I learned that thing from him, that after so many films, 200 plus films, I don't know how, more than that. If he's like this, then why not? I can also practice. That is one thing I learned. And with Harsha, I learned that, you know, the way he says his lines so casually and so, like he's not trying hard to make you laugh. So when in comedy, I feel when you try very hard now to do something, oh, I'm going to try to make you laugh, I think it is not funny. But the way he does it so coolly, casually now, it's just too good. And the director is very smart in creating a situation that it looks very funny.
I mean, everyone, whoever sits in the this chair, interviewer will ask how is the working with that hero, how is the working with this heroine. But let me know truthfully, do you observe these all qualities in there? I mean, in those characters, in those mentalities, do you acquire some
Meaning,
qualities?
they're acting,
Ah,
you learn.
yeah.
That's what I said, that here I really learned this quality, which I picked up from Sunil sir. So any set I go now, the line I'll be like, I'll rehearse it and I don't care what people are thinking. Even if I'm looking stupid, mental to people, I will still do that line, practice in
Do
front
you
of.
still hesitate in the set? I mean,
Yeah,
that
yeah.
around 100 to
Every
200
first
members.
day of a movie, I can't sleep at night, and after the first day, I'm fine. But first day, you're very nervous because you're trying to get into that character, the clothes, the lines, everything. Then it becomes easy.
I
Yeah.
think, can I say this word? Camera anxiety?
No camera anxiety.
Huh.
Just like everything should go right, because it is a, how do I explain, like it's a creative thing, so you can't like oka science physics lo measurement untundi, right? You can measure something. Business also there's a measure, kani ikkada ఏమైనా measurement లేదు. ఒక hair style కూడా చేస్తే, ఒక makeup person kuda, if you ask them also, it's a creative thing that day, what you know, how you create it. So oka painting kuda cheste, it will never be measurement accurate, correct, always.
Yeah.
So acting kuda alage untundi. So our day lo, you don't know how it will form. Then okkate, once that formation is done, then you can do it every
Easily,
day.
yeah.
Ade. So that first day, I think for any actor will be scary always.
Have you ever felt anxiety disorders or else?
Yeah, I have.
Still,
No.
no. Have you crossed out? I mean,
The only panic attack I got was when I saw my maids bitching about me on camera.
Yeah. That's my next question. Panic attacks.
No. I don't really get all these panic attacks and all that. And I have like kept myself very sane doing a lot of yoga, meditation, but regularly, like all of that. Yeah. So no panic attacks.
You are a second degree or third degree in
Oh,
yoga?
what?
Yoga. I mean, some
Yoga
people
has
are doing
been
the
many
chakras and all, right?
years.
Some
Yeah.
chakras and all.
Yeah. Before I used to do yoga only for physical exercise. Now yoga is only for mental
Okay.
exercise for me. That is the thing. Yeah.
Very nice. Thank you so much, Shraddha ji.
Welcome.
Such a kind heart you are. This is the true word. Okay. I know on camera. Your journey will be superb success.
Thank you.
Not with the movies. It's all about the
With everything, yeah.
Happiness,
I want
yeah.
everything.
yeah.
Okay, not just one thing. And I hope that you also be very happy with your girlfriend
Yeah.
forever. Invite me to your marriage. Okay.
Thank you so much. Do you really come?
I'll come.
Okay, done.
Now she'll marry you.
So that's it, guys. This is Ajamai signing off.